He lost the case. He lost his appeal. The Florida Supreme Court wants nothing to do with him. And now Miami Gardens pastor Eric Redden and his lawyers have been ordered to pay us $70,000 plus interest.
Our reporting was accurate, and there's absolutely no doubt about it.
Back in 2017, Pastor Eric Redden first filed a $12 million lawsuit against WPLG. He then amended it, suing us for $50 million, claiming our investigative reports on him ruined his reputation.
Over the course of 4 years, we have spent almost 250 hours plus of lawyer time to try to get rid of a lawsuit that is based on a story that was absolutely true in every respect.
Eric Redden is the pastor of the New Beginning Missionary Baptist Church. It's in Miami Gardens.
Nothing to say.
Talk to us, Pastor.
He's got no comment. He's not talking about anything.
We have been trying to talk to Pastor Redden about his business practices since early 2017.
That's right.
Last year, Redden's case against us was dismissed with prejudice. In the legal world, that means dismissed permanently. Former Miami-Dade Circuit Judge Alex Bocor found no malice, saying what we reported were, quote, true facts. Redden appealed. He lost. He asked the Florida Supreme Court to hear it. They too refused.
The court has said that the station is entitled to its attorney's fees plus interest.
Back in 2017, several people told us they gave Redden cash deposits to rent homes, buy cars, loaned him cash for church events. When things fell through, they demanded refunds. But Redden called up and said,
"You think you can come after me? You don't know who you're dealing with." He's going to come after me and my job.
He say he can't be touched.
We also reported Eric Redden was court-ordered to pay Lorenzo Johnson $9,000 plus interest after Redden allegedly stole a check out of Johnson's daycare office, forged it, and deposited it. Then there was 70-year-old Edward Fuller, who claimed Redden made himself a contractor on a house Fuller was building. Fuller claims Redden persuaded him to sign the deed to the house over temporarily so he could get loans. Fuller says instead Redden sold the house out from under him for $380,000 and never gave him a red cent. Were you more trusting of him because he was a pastor?
Most definitely, yes.
Redden's attorney, Andrew Cassier, argued in court after court that any business Redden was involved in, he was not doing in his capacity as a pastor.
The station can't be held liable for calling you a pastor because that's what you admit you are.
The news organization knows that these lawsuits go to the heart of the organization's credibility with the public. And as a result, news organizations fight these cases. They always have, and they always will.
We asked Redden to do a TV interview with us to make a comment. He refused. Instead, he sent us an email thanking us for, quote, making him a household name. Redden says he's also going to write a book. It's important to point out that Redden has never been charged criminally for any of those cases we just mentioned because the alleged victims go after him civilly in order to collect their judgment. In Pembroke Park, Jeff Weinseer, Local 10 News.